In Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur in particular, one can see incredible decorations in the malls during the Chinese New Year celebration period. In this video, you will see some of the most beautiful decorations from 5 different malls in KL. Let's start with Pavilion, which is one of the most popular shopping destinations in Kuala Lumpur. It never misses a chance to exhibit some of the most impressive decorations for each and every holiday celebration. And as you can see here, year 2021, the year of the ox, is not an exception. In fact, this year the mall looks even more stunning compared to the previous year, 2020, the year of the rat. While you're enjoying the gorgeous festive decorations, a few words about the Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year Spring Festival, or the Lunar New Year, is the festival that celebrates the beginning of a new year on the traditional lunisolar Chinese calendar. This year, 2021, the Chinese New Year date was February the 12th, but it is not just one day. Spring Festival usually lasts 16 days, from Chinese New Year's Eve to the 15th day of the New Year, Lantern Festival. You can surely notice the bright colors, especially the red and gold colors all over the place. It's because in the Chinese culture, red symbolizes fire, good fortune, and joy. It is the color of happiness. Gold symbolizes wealth and prosperity. Together, they are used to spread the message of good fortune and prosperity for everyone in the coming new year. Chinese usually wear red or other brightly colored clothes on New Year's Day. This place is so stunning that I even ended up sitting at a coffee shop, doing some work, and enjoying the view. This year, Pavilion also launched the 3D Trika show of Golden Bull. Located at the main entrance, every few minutes one could see the show of a giant golden bull charging out of its outdoor LED screen. And this was our Pavilion Chinese New Year tour. The next stop is Surya KLCC Shopping Mall, located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, right beneath the Petronas Twin Towers. You have probably also noticed lots and lots of red lanterns. Throughout the ages, the Chinese have used lanterns not only as a source of light or a simple paper decoration, but they symbolize vitality, social status, and good luck. The lanterns also symbolize good fortune. The next place to visit is Avenue K, another shopping mall which is located right across from Surya KLCC. The decorations here don't stand out as much as the ones before, but still give a nice festive touch. 恭喜发财, a wishing of prosperity, is a common Chinese New Year greeting. I like that here they made this cute table showing a family gathering over some traditional Chinese New Year food like Chinese dumplings, rice cakes, rice balls. And of course, lots of Chinese traditional clothes are sold here since we are at the mall. Berjaya Times Square, a shopping center complex in Bukit Bintang, was definitely worth visiting. And again, the top colors are red, pink, yellow, or golden. In fact, at this place I felt there was a little bit too much red. In Sunway Putra Mall, I found that decorations were quite simple, cozy, and with a good taste. I didn't have the feeling that it was just too much. So, this was the tour around the 5 shopping malls in the center of KL. I'm sure there were others as well, presenting some fine decorations, but I will leave it to the next year. 恭喜发财!